Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is about the connector in English. The connector in English you can use for making your story much more interesting. For example, you can use the next basic connector for make your story. For example, the first example is and. You can use and only for addition information. Like, I went to his school and talked with his teacher. Yo fui al colegio y hablé con la profesora. The second connector is bad. Bad is for contrast information. Bad es para contrastar la información. For example, I went to his school and talked with his teacher. But when she talked with me, she was furious. Cuando fui al colegio y hablé con su profesora, ella cuando habló conmigo estaba furiosa. So is to consequence or result. So es para hablar de consecuencias o resultados. She was furious and I got nervous. Ella estaba furiosa y yo me puse nerviosa. And the last connector for today is because. Because is the reason, is dar la razón. Example, so I got nervous because I knew that he had done something bad. And it's all for today. Bye bye. See you later.